We will spend the night here. Salam. Are you okay, son?
Walaikum salam, father. Yes.
Son, are you thinking of something?
Dear father, please sit here. Father, last night when we were in Medina, the doctor's assistant was killed by poison, and the doctor was saying that the poison had quickly entered his body through the skin. Is this possible?
Yes, son, it is possible. Are you okay, son?
How strange. Can this really happen? Father, how is it possible for the poison to enter the body through the skin?
Son, if I had known that you were still worried about this incident, I would have given you an example last night. Yes, son. Poison can enter the body through the skin. Imam Muhammad Baqir, our beloved Imam, he was the one who revived the religion of Islam.
Dear father, please sit here.
Hasham was afraid of his position and status, so he arranged to keep a close eye on him. Even scholars of other religions have been defeated by the Imam in different debates. As soon as Hasham heard this, he became angry and said to Zaid,
I have a trick in my mind. You poison the saddle of the horse and make Imam Baqir ride on it. In this way he will not survive and no one will have any doubt.
But how is it possible that I can force Imam to ride?
This is your headache. I want this to be done anyway.
Son of the Messenger of God, peace be upon you.
Salam, O servant of God.
Praise be to God, you have raised me and helped me. My father is near death. He told me that he wants to see you.
Where do you live? I will go with you.
O son of the Prophet, in a village near Medina, but I do not have any horse to travel.
No problem, I will walk with you.
Peace be upon you, O son of the messenger of God.
Salam, O servant of God.
This is my horse. Ride on it.
No, it is not necessary.
Son of the Prophet, if you do not ride, I will turn away from the religion of your ancestors.
May God increase your wealth, it is not necessary.
Son of the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. When this man was asking you to accompany him, I listened to him and arranged this horse for you to visit him.
Oh man, we are fine, thank you for your offer.
I swear by your forefathers, please ride this horse.
The Imam agreed and rode the horse.
Was the saddle of the horse poisoned?
Yes, son.
Father, Imam Baqir was martyred by the injecting of this poison.
Yes, my son. Imam Baqir was martyred on the 114 Hijrah.